Unit 6 End of Unit Retake. Calculator inactive. Question 1. Which expression is equal to 7 raised to the 5th power? A. 35. B. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. C. 12. D. 5 to the 7th power. Question 2. Select all the equations where x equals 4 is a solution. A. X minus 4 equals 0. B. 1/4 x equals 1. C. 8 equals 2x. D. 2 plus x equals 4. E. 8 minus x equals 3. F. X raised to the 2nd power equals 16. Question 3. Which expression is equivalent to 24c minus 6d? A. 6 parentheses 4c minus 6d end parentheses. B. D parentheses 20c minus 8 end parentheses. C. 6 parentheses 4c minus d end parentheses. D. 2 parentheses 12c plus 3d end parentheses. Question 4. Here is an expression 3 times 2 raised to the t power. A. Evaluate the expression when t is 1. B. Evaluate the expression when t is 6. Number 5. 4/7 of the students in a school are in 6th grade. How many 6th graders are there if the school has 70 students? B. How many 6th graders are there if the school has 42 students? C. If the school has x students, write an equation for the number of 6th graders in terms of x. D. How many students are in the school if 60 of them are 6th graders? Question 6. Jada makes sparkling juice by mixing 4 cups of sparkling water with every 5 cups of apple juice. How much sparkling water does Jada need if she uses 20 cups of apple juice? B. How much apple juice does Jada need if she uses 12 cups of sparkling water? C. Plot these pairs of measurements as points on the graph. Graph is on the next page. D. Let S represent the number of cups of sparkling water and J represent the number of cups of apple juice. Write an equation that shows how S and J are related. Number 7. Maya poured 2.6 liters of water into a partially filled pitcher. The pitcher contains 10.4 liters. Which diagram, A, B, or C, represents this situation? B. Write an equation that represents this situation. C. Solve the equation you wrote. D. Explain what the solution to this equation means in this situation.